let me stop. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yutin. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. So today I will literally basically be talking about this wig that I have on right now. It is of course from no other place than MyFirstWigs, because that's where I get all my wigs from, because they're honestly awesome and I love all their wigs. I've bought about 4 wigs from them, I want to say, and I haven't really been disappointed. I did get one that I didn't like, which was the Iris Bob, but I didn't like it, so I returned it and I got this one. I am not disappointed. This is my first wig that I'm getting, my first curly wig that I'm getting from them, and it's honestly not bad. Like, it doesn't get tangled in the back. Okay, maybe it does a little bit, but that's because like it's hot and I've been moving around a lot with it. But it's really nice. It's not too curly. It's like the loose curls. The lace is beautiful. I got the lace in the medium brown. I don't like getting the lighter one just because I feel like this suits my complexion better. I got the smaller wig size, which is typically what I get. The only issue I had with it was the fact that after I cut the lace off, the wig was actually like really far back. So it was basically just a little bit over my hairline, which I didn't really like too much, but honestly it's not that bad because it makes it look more realistic. And the hair does come pre-plucked, so I haven't, you can see my glue a little bit, so I didn't have to tweeze it at all, guys. Like, I didn't tweeze this hair whatsoever. It literally came like this. I just trimmed the baby hair part of it, and I probably didn't even need to do that. But yeah, this hair is honestly so nice and I'm so happy. When I first, you guys ever like get new hair and you just have to get used to it? Because when I got this, I wore it for the first time yesterday. It was literally a hot mess because I didn't put any products in it. I didn't style it whatsoever. I just put it on, used my hand to like just brush it out all day, and it literally came looking like a whole crazy afro on my head that at the end of the day I was just like, I don't even care anymore. But today, you know, we had to come and slay them. Like, tell me something. I'm so extra right now. But honestly, the curls came out so pretty. So pretty, guys. Like, so pretty. I just put the hair mayonnaise in it, and that's literally all I used to define this curls right now, because if you use just water, the curls do get defined, but it just like dries up and gets like poofy. So I just put, because it needs a little bit of weight, product with a little bit of weight in it to just like keep it there. And I didn't want to use mousse because I didn't want it to be all like crunchy and whatnot. So I used that, and I honestly actually really like this hair. I'm getting used to it now, so it's pretty. I did like a braid back with it just to like keep it out of my face, and I thought this would look really cute. Maybe tomorrow I'll do like one braid going this side. But yeah, I laid this wig with my Got To Be glue. Got To Be glue be coming through. I give up on the Ghost Bond or Bold Hold or whatever until I find somebody to actually like do it for me, so it's a dud. But yeah, this is the hair. I really love it. I'm gonna put like the name and the description and everything. I put basically the description in the description box below. Just wanted to show you guys, because I know me, when I'm trying to get a new wig, I always want to like look up videos of people with the hair just to really see how it looks in person, because sometimes on the mannequin head it looks a little like do I want to get you though? So I just hope this is helpful if you're interested in getting like a bob for the summer. And honestly, this is about to be my summer hair because it is too hot to be walking around with like 20 inches of hair. This one is 14 inches, which I think is a perfect length, especially because it's curly, so it's literally like right here on my shoulders, which is perfect for me because I've been wanting a curly bob for the longest. But anyways, I'll stop rambling now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and it was very helpful. If you have any questions, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section of this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and of course, while you're there, subscribe to my channel because it's the nice thing to do. You're welcome. Anyways, I'm gonna go now. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.